Hey lovelies, welcome to our empty house tour. This is our new house and also it's a rented 2 BHK one, and this is how the overview looks like once we enter. So this is the kitchen. This is bedroom number 1, this is bedroom number 2, and that's the puja room and washroom. So that's about it. And this is how the living room looks like. It's quite spacious, and on the right hand side we have this open shelf area and it has few shelves. And for now I have the rough plans of having our family pictures in these shelves, and also we did this TV installation thing. So that's about it for the living room for now. Okay, that's our kitchen. It's a medium sized and kind of a narrow kitchen, and it looks quite nice. And also the countertop is L shaped, and these are like kitchen related tiles that's on the walls that adds like a elegant touch I really like. And also coming to storage, there are so much storage options in this kitchen, and not only in kitchen but also in the whole house. There is a lot of storage spaces, and I really like this kitchen, but storage part is my favorite. It has a lot of storage spaces that I really like. Okay, next let's move on to the first bedroom of this house, and this is how it looks like. Coming to the room, I really like it. It's compact and cozy, and it has this hanger thing wherein we can hang our clothes to store it basically, and also to other shelves as well. And also it has a window, so the beautiful natural light comes into the room. So I really like it. Apart from that storage, there is nothing else in this room, and also I'm quite confused which room to choose from. Before moving on to the second bedroom, this is the puja room situation in this house. It has this bell door sort of that is apt for it, and also with the arch up above it. So it looks quite nice and also compact, so it gives like a good vibes with that bell sound and everything. So it's nice. And this is the second bedroom looks like. I don't know if you can tell, but it's quite a little bit bigger than the first bedroom. So in the entryway we have these shelves that's similar to the shelves in the living room, and this is how overall it looks like. It's quite spacious, and also it packed with lot of natural light because it has 2 windows, and also it has an attached bathroom in it. So that's why it's quite big, but I'm quite skeptical which room to pick. Let me know your guesses on which room I would pick for myself in the comment section below. And this is the common washroom in the living area. And that's it. This is our empty house tour. Stay tuned for the cleaning and organizing vlogs coming up next. We all really like this place so much, and also I'm really thankful and grateful for this new house. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Don't want to miss out on the next upcoming vlogs. And thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Until then, be positive and spread positivity. Bye bye.